Hi, I'm Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba Instant On 1830 24-port PoE switch. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content. The Aruba Instant On 1830 switch is an entry-level, smart-managed Layer 2 Ethernet switch with a flexible management dashboard and PoE options. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your quick start guide and safety compliance and warranty documentation. In a side pocket, you will find your standard 19-inch rack-mount kit. The kit also includes 4 rubber feet for mounting the switch on the desk. The switch also ships with a country-specific power cord. Let's have a closer look at the switch. At the front, there are 24 1GB and 2 10GB SFP Plus ports. Note that only the first 12 ports are PoE capable. There is a LED mode selector button and a reset button on the bottom left corner. You will need a pin in order to reach the reset button if you ever need to use it. At the sides, you have your airflow vents. You should keep these unobstructed when operating the switch to prevent overheating. At the back is your power socket, and a sticker with the MAC address and serial number. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. See you next time!